Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to do the HaveX LED mod. So, as standard when you buy an HaveX full tower case, the first fan here will be connected to a dedicated LED button, and this one will not have any LEDs in it. Some people want to buy the Cooler Master Mega Flow fans, which has LEDs in them, which in my case I did. The only downside with the Mega Flows is that it only has one wire going out of it, which means there's no option to turn off the LED. But I found a way to do it. It involves doing some mods on the fans and some wiring mod with the front fan. So, I'm just gonna show you how it works. Alright, as you can see, there's no LEDs turned on in these, and none in this one. And you can hear, and you can see in this one, that they certainly are turned on. So, when I click the LED button, or when I push the LED button, the light turns on. How did I do that? Well, what I first did was to make the mods on the fans. So what you want to do is open the clip here, 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 and here, and they are inside under here. Like this one is right here under, and the other can be accessed this side. The last one though needs to be accessed from this side, so we can open it here. So first you want to make sure what LED exactly goes to the fan. So this is pretty standard. This is how you would get your HaveX when it's built. I'm just gonna. Alright, here you see the LED wire from the front fan, which goes directly to the button, and that is actually also how it works. What you want to do is cut this one open. You will see it's to this one. Cut this one open like that. Then you isolate it. By that I mean taking off the plastic, so you have the middle. Then you solder the other wires from the other fans into this, so it get a good jump of solder. I don't know the word for it, so I'm just gonna call it aluminium for now, even though it's clearly not. Yeah, so you will have a big jump of aluminium, and you just collect all the wires to it, and you will end up with a big connection. And then you just wanna tape it and get good isolation. As you can see here, this one is for the power. You can see a lot of wires going into it. Lots of wires. Only one going out of it. Or two twisted. I don't know. This one is for the LED. A lot going in. Only one going out. So I'm sure you got the idea now. So that is how you do with the wires. Then you wanna make an actually LED. I'm just gonna take this off. Excuse me. Alright. Now you wanna do the actual Mega Flow mod. Instead of just getting one wire out of it, you want to get one wire for the power and a second wire for the LED. Okay. You can see here plus and minus for the LED, and there is the power to it. So this one plus and minus for the LED, and that one in there for the power. So what you first want to do is to take off a little bit of the plastic like that, and then you will actually be able to see into it. Just gonna focus. You need to be really precisely when doing this because the components are ridiculously small. Alright. Good. When you open it, you'll see one of these here and one of these over here. This one is the pass-through for the power. This one is the pass-through for the LED. And you don't want the LED to pass through. So you unsolder this and pull out the component. Like this one and this one. Then you simply add two wires. One for the LED minus and one for the LED plus, and this is the power output. And then you just take the wires and connect them as I showed you earlier. For the back fan, which is not a Megaflow, and they don't make 140 Megaflows, so it's a little different process. I choose the Bitphoenix one, which as stock has the ability to disable LED, but only if you pull out a certain wire. So what I did was to take the wire and then solder some more wire to it so it got a little longer and add it to the circuit. Though I don't recommend doing this. I'm going to change that with the Noctua because it's noisy as hell, and that's quite annoying. So I don't think I will drop the LED in the back because it doesn't seem like there's any moddable back fans which still is silent. All the LED fans with the possibility to do this LED mod is usually pretty loud and recommended for water cooling. I don't know why, but that's how it is. And lastly, I have a question for you guys actually. I'm going to do a paint job on this one. So what would fit if I know this is out of topic, but I'm really confused about it actually. It would be really nice if it would be a little nice if you could like help me telling which colors would look great on it. So imagine this one put together, and I have the usual fans here. Then I add it. Alright, you know what, I'm just gonna put together this side panel. Just a second. Won't take long. Alright, fun fact. Did you know that there is a maximum power consumption from the LED button? No, I don't think you knew that. So you can't just make an infinity loop with all your computer lighting linked up to this LED button. If you do so, there won't be enough power, because all the LEDs from these fans are powered by the same power amount, which is normally just for this one. LEDs take like no power, so with these 5 fans it won't do a difference. But if you add like cold cathodes to the loop, you will definitely make all the lighting weaker. I don't recommend doing that. So for this one I got an external output. So what color scheme would you recommend with a build like this? some liquid lighting. You can't really see it on camera, but it's liquid. And some there. I'm thinking white, black, or red, black, yellow and black stripes. I don't know. Would be great if you did. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I'm a lot better giving help, like writing instead of talking English, because as you probably can hear, I'm stuttering a bit. My English is not perfect. I'm not a professional at making videos, so this will do for now. So, if you got any questions, leave it in the comments and I will answer them immediately, or as fast as I can. And don't forget to recommend a color scheme. Thanks for watching.